Welcome to Flash Basics Tutorial 26, Movie Clips Inside Movie Clips Hit. This is a follow-up to the Flash Basics 25 Movie Clips and or Buttons Hit, and I have that FLA opened now. I have all layers locked. I'm going to select the balls layer and insert a new layer and call it balls with an S, B-A-L-L-S. Going to my library panel, mine's docked here. You may have to go to Window, then Library. And once you have it opened, down in the corner here it says New Symbol, click on that. It's a movie clip and it's going to be called BALLS_MC. That's it, we're in it now. We're in that movie clip now. And I'm going to label this first layer ball 1, B-A-L-L-1. And I'm going to pick up the oval tool. There's a red ball right there. And while it's still selected, modify, convert it to a symbol, movie clip, BALL1_MC. Open the properties panel and give it the same instance name, BALL1_MC. Close that properties panel. Lock that layer. Open new layer, ball tool, BALL2. Same oval tool, same color, but quite a ways apart. Like I'm on 100% and I'm way over here going with my second ball. There they are. While it's highlighted, modify, convert it to a symbol, ball2MC, BALL2_MC, and the same instance name, BALL2_MC. Okay, lock them and call this layer ball 2. I had some other garbage up there. Okay, go back to scene 1. Select this balls, new layer balls, open your library panel, and that balls movie clip right here, the one we just made. Here it is, drag it in. Close the panel, open your properties panel, instance name BALLS_MC. Now let's go and lock all the panel layers. Open the actions panel, and here's the action script for this red ball, the one that we're making invisible when we hit it, visibility false. And can you see I'm between the two last curly brackets? I've inserted my cursor and I'm going to type in this code. Type. And it says balls movie clip hit test. It's almost identical to this. As a matter of fact, you could have copied this and put it here. If open bracket balls capital B and an S underscore movie clip period hit test object, same thing, open bracket square MC, same thing as above. This time trace hit balls. This time it's going to have an S on it, and there should be two closed curly brackets if we're all right. So now let's test this out. Hopefully there's no errors. Right. There's the original one, which becomes invisible. Now, the balls, I'm going to clear this panel. The balls movie clip encompasses these two. But if I come around the side here and try to go up the middle of them, it hits because it's seeing that whole thing as one movie clip. Let's clear it again, make sure you get the picture. See that? Close that off. And if you look down here, and I unlock that balls layer, that's what's encompassed for the hit area. Now, we labeled these within the movie clip. If I clip in here, we labeled one of these balls, that one for sample, we labeled it ball 1. If I look here, if I click on it, it's ball 1 inside the movie clip balls. So let's go back to the main scene. Let's lock that balls layer, select the action script code. Now, this hit test right here, the one that hits that movie clip that has the 2 balls in it, after the period, write BALL 1, ball 1 underscore MC, period, and now that will separate that ball, that individual ball. But we have to now give it a test. Test it out. Make that one disappear. I should be able to come over here and go down. Oh, let's clear that off. I should be able to come over here, hit that one, because I'm not talking about that one at all. The only one I'm talking about is this one now. Okay. This one. Oh, hitting that one is invisible again. This is not being touched because this is ball 2. This is ball 1. Okay. I hope you get that. I'll just show you once more in case you didn't get it. It's a movie clip called ball 1, and it's inside a movie clip balls. And that movie clip, if I open it, the balls movie clip has 2 balls in it. The last thing I want to do is make it so when that ball becomes, instead of just become invisible, I want it to completely remove itself from the stage when we hit it. So let's go inside the movie clips. On the library panel, it's this ball movie clip. Open that up, and there's that red ball, that single ball. And I'm just going to call this ball layer, BALL. Unlock that layer. Another layer, action script. So we're going to have action script now inside of the ball movie clip. And this first one here, select this frame 1, open the actions panel, and stop. S-T-O-P, turns blue, open close bracket, semicolon, it will stop there. And let's go to frame 2, insert a blank keyframe, action script, S-T-O-P, open close bracket, semicolon, the same thing, and lock the layers right here. The second layer, the balls layer, second frame, insert blank keyframe. So there's nothing in this keyframe. Okay, let's go back to scene 1. Open the actions panel. Find where we made that invisible, right here. Okay, so right now, under normal circumstances, the ball would be sitting on frame 1. When the square hits it, we want it to jump to that frame 2 where there's no ball, so it's completely gone. So in here, instead of visibility equals false, we have ball underscore MC period GOTO capital A N D capital S T O P, go to and stop, open bracket 2 as in frame 2, close bracket, and our semicolon. This now should send it to that blank frame, and it won't trace or hit the second time we. Let's test our movie out. Here it is. There's the hits, and notice it only gives us one hit and it's not there anymore. Okay, we will use this last information on the follow-up tutorial, Flash Basics tutorial 27. It'll be called Hitting Game. We'll make a little game out of this. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.